Hi everyone, today is September the 14th, 2021, and this is Dr. Wes Fryer, and I'd like to show you how you can share audio from the wonderful free website Twisted Wave to either Google Classroom or to Seesaw. So when you go to Twisted Wave, you are going to actually be clicking here on New Document in order to create a new recording. And I've actually already recorded a little interview with myself here, and I want to share this. So you've got a couple choices as far as sharing it. When you go up to the File menu, you can send to Google Drive, and that will send that into your Google Drive, and you're going to want to give it a name if you do that. And then you'll be able to do whatever you want to in Google Drive, including downloading it again. However, you can just directly download it. So if you go to File, Download, you have to give it a name. So I'm going to call mine Interview 2. You don't need to change anything else. It's going to be an MP3 file. You just go ahead and click Download, and then that's going to be in the Downloads folder of your computer, whether you're on a Mac like I am today, or a Chromebook, or a Windows computer. So now we need to go ahead and turn it in. And let's do that first in Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over here to Google Classroom. I've gone to the assignment. I'm going to click Add or Create, and I'm going to choose File. Now I need to navigate to the location on my computer. So Upload is selected. I click Browse, and now I find my Downloads folder, and I should have that interview file here in the Downloads folder so that I can open it up and it will attach. So it will go ahead and attach. In this case, for the assignment, I want to make sure my script is done as well, and I just go ahead and click Turn in, and I'm done. Let's see how this works in Seesaw. So in Seesaw, I have a activity for this, and you're going to want to make sure you're there. Don't just be in the journal and click on Add. Okay? You want to go to Activities and make sure that you're clicking Add Response. It will automatically select your name, and what you're going to do on the side here is, this is audio, so instead of clicking on the microphone, which is to record, go to the three dots that's here below the camera, and then choose Voice. It gives you two choices, to record your voice or upload audio, and we want to upload audio. Then you should again be able to select your Downloads folder, find your file, and then click Open. And it is going to go ahead and attach it right here within your Seesaw template. So you can just leave this picture that's there in the bottom or in the back, and then when you click the checkbox, it's going to be uploaded. So now people can go ahead, click here, and they're going to be able to listen. It's Tuesday, September 14th, 2021. And that's it. Okay, so I hope that's helpful to you. Good luck. TwistedWave.com is really fantastic. And just as a review, that website is twistedwave.com/online. And that's where you will find the free browser-based audio editor. Yay, Twisted Wave. It really is awesome.